Which quantity will be maintained by the particle which is moving in a circular path with a uniform speed? It's known that whenever the object or any particle moving with a uniform speed in a circular path will have three quantities mainly. The first one is regarding its speed. It's known that the speed will be constant, which means we are telling in terms of magnitude only. Second, the main thing is about the velocity. Here, the velocity will changes because its direction changes continuously as the particle move along a circular path. And the third quantity is about the centripetal acceleration. It's known that the particle experience centripetal acceleration which is direct towards the center of a circular path. This acceleration causes the change in a direction of velocity, keeping the particle in a circular motion. Let us check the options given here. Whereas option A is given as constant velocity with varying acceleration. This is incorrect because the velocity will not be constant. It will get changed based on the direction. So option A will not be the correct answer for this question. Let us check option B. Option B is given as varying velocity and varying acceleration. This statement is correct because the velocity is varying due to its change in a direction and the acceleration is varying due to change in a direction of the velocity. So we can say the statement B given here is correct. Whereas option C is given as constant velocity. This is wrong because the velocity cannot be constant. It based on a direction. Whereas option D is given as constant acceleration. It's known that the direction of acceleration changes. So of course it will not be constant. So option B will be the correct answer for this question.